Lesson 12. Computers. I'm teaching my grandmother how to use a computer. First, I showed her how to start up and shut down the computer. Then, I helped her get online or access the internet so that she can check her email. She quickly learned how to write and send messages, reply to an email, and forward an email. Send a complete email that you received to a new person. But it was a little hard for her to remember how to attach a file to an outgoing message. We tried to log into her bank account online, but the bank's website was down. The website was not functional or was not online. There was a notice on the home page, the main page of the website, that they were doing some scheduled maintenance on the system, so we'll try again tomorrow. This afternoon, I'll teach her how to use a search engine. I think she'll really enjoy surfing the web or browsing the web, exploring the internet, and using social media. If she needs to do something more advanced, like burn a CD, put files from a computer onto a CD, then I can do that for her. She's a little bit afraid of pressing the wrong key and accidentally deleting an important file, but I told her that we can always recover the file from the recycling bin. I also explained that if the computer freezes or locks up, stops moving or functioning, she can simply restart or reboot the computer. It's also a good idea for her to back up her files, make an extra copy of the information so that she doesn't lose her data if the computer crashes, the computer breaks, and can't be repaired. I installed a program that periodically runs scans for viruses and spyware to ensure that her computer hasn't been infected. Listen and repeat to practice the pronunciation of the collocations from Lesson 12. Start up the computer. Shut down the computer. Get online. Access the internet. Check her email. Write and send messages. Reply to an email. Forward an email. Attach a file. Log into her bank account. The website was down. Home page. Scheduled maintenance. Search engine. Surfing the web. Browsing the web. Social media. Burn a CD. Pressing the wrong key. Deleting an important file. Recover the file. The computer freezes. The computer locks up. Restart the computer. Reboot the computer. Back up her files. The computer crashes. Installed a program. Run scans for viruses and spyware. Infected with a virus. Now take the Lesson 12 quiz. Choose the best word to complete each collocation in the sentences about computers.